Hey everybody, Joe the Lego Man here. So today I'm going to be talking about picking from the PAB wall. Now, when you go to the PAB wall, you have a couple options. You can get a large cup, which is about $20 Canadian, or a smaller cup, which is about I think $12 or $13 Canadian. So the idea is you pick your cup, you pick pieces from the wall, fill the cup. As long as the store could tape the lid on, you're good to go. Now, depending on the person picking, most people just grab handfuls, fill it, and away you go. Some people who are a little more into what they do is they put everything together, pack it nice and neat, and really maximize the amount of pieces in a cup. So I decided to test the theory using 2x2 bricks to see which cup I can get more bricks in, or I should say which packing style I can get more bricks in. So let's find out. So to give you an idea of the different cup sizes, the cups you see on the left and the right, those are the larger cups at $20 Canadian. The one in the middle, that's a smaller cup. That runs, I believe, $12, $13 Canadian. I can't remember exactly, but as you can see the size difference, smaller cups may be half, maybe a third, give or take. So for us, normally we pick the larger cups. We do have some smaller cups. That's usually because it's just for one particular piece, or the kids might have picked it, but like I said, we usually get the big cups as you've seen. Now on the left, what I did is I just jammed it full of 2x2 bricks. On the right, I stacked them, put them much together, and then jammed them all in. Now, the best way for cups is you can see the difference on the bottom of the two with the pink brick in it. You'll see the 1x3 plates on the one on the left and nothing on the one on the right. So normally when you get a cup, this area here, you pack it with smaller pieces, either with 1x3 plates, 1x1 tiles, whatever tiny piece they have there, studs, just to fill the space. But for this particular thing, I decided not to do that because I just want almost strictly 2x2 brick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open them up, count the brick, and see which cup has more. So let's start with cup on the left. So let's get this one out of the way. As you can see, they are still both taped, like I said, from the Lego store. So as long as they can tape them, you're good to go. So let's get this one set aside for now, and let's open this one up. So like I said, this one here, I just jammed them all in. Didn't really care about neatness or nothing, just to see what it's like. So I'm just going to separate all the plates, get them right out of the way. And now I count. Now that cup's all sorted, so what I did is I grouped them in groups of 10. So let's count them up. We got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 260, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 233. So in the loose bin where I just chucked them all in, 233 2x2 bricks. So these are repacked. We'll get them out of the way. And now we're going to open this guy. So this one here, like I said, I did my best to pack them in as many as I can, as tight as I can, stack them nice and neat. So let's get this one open and see how many we got. The tape was on there a little bit better than what I thought it was going to be. Crinkling tape. I love it. just like the other one, our group is in groups of 10, so let's count them up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 234. So between the two cups, between stacking and not stacking, I was able to gain one extra brick, and so it's 234 to 233. For this particular item, this particular element, maybe not worth taking the time to stack. Maybe it is for others. Who knows? But if you found this interesting, like, subscribe, comment, and share. We'll see you in the next one.